How to convert JPG to PNG. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to convert JPG to PNG. So if you want to learn how it's done, just listen to me because I will teach you all the necessary steps it needs to take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to any browser that you have because it works on any device also. It works on computer, laptops, Android phones, and also iOS. But for me, I will choose the Chrome browser and then I will search here for JPG to PNG. And then search for it. And then I will click this cloud convert right here. So let's click on that. Then click on select file. And I will select a file that I want to use. So for me, I will click on files right here. And then I will click on the images that I have. So this is the JPG image. So I'll click on this. And then let's wait for it to convert. Let's convert it into a PNG. You can search for it right here. And click on convert right here. And let's now wait for it. And then right now it is the preview, and as you can see it is a PNG. So let's click on download right here. And it should be able to start downloading. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to convert JPG to PNG. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Follow for more.